Come on. Come on, Lily. Come show Daddy. Come on. Come on. Can you put something there so she can walk?
Lily, come here, pumpkin.
Come here, honey.
Lily, look. You want this? Want this? Come on.
Come on. This is my first time crawling. Come on. You can do it.
Come on, you can do it.
Come on, come get it.
Come on, come get it.
Come get it, honey.
Come get it, honey.
Come on. Yeah, come on.
Yeah, come on.
Ha-ta-ta-ta.
Ah-ta-ta-ta-ta.
Ha-ta-ta-ta.
Come on. Ah-ta-ta-ta.
Come on.
Ah-ta-ta-ta. Ah-ta-ta-ta.
Mom, no, you don't know Spinelli very well.
Good girl.
Yay!
Yay!
Yay, Lily!
Yay, Lily! You were crawling. Where did you go?
Woohoo!
Yay! Are you happy? Yeah, come on. Come on, move that, Gretchen. Come on, baby.
Come on, baby.
You want to come get it? Well, here we go again. Good girl. This is Lily's first time ever crawling. December 23rd, 2008, Lily Bell. Look at her. Yay! Lily. Lily, look at Daddy. Look at Daddy.
Lily.
Hi.
Look at Rocco. Look at Rocco.
Look at Rocco, Lily. Say hi.
Look at Mommy. Lily. Look at Rocco. Look at Rocco. Look at Rocco. Look at Rocco.
Good.